Hello friends, in this session we are going to look at one of the selection statement called switch statement. So this is also similar to your if-else conditional statement, but a bit more visually appealing than that. That's all. Okay. So to simply put, it is similar to our switchboard in our houses. Like the first switch is for light and the second switch is for fan and so on. So it's a selection statement basically. So if you basically look at its structure, based on a expression value, it will go to specific matching case value statements. So like case value 1 or case value 2 and so on. So let's see a sample coding for that. So as usual, let's copy this sample code and paste it in our Eclipse environment, okay, for us to test and execute and see. Okay, so with our Eclipse, first we need that class name, right? So I think the class name is calc. So let's create a new class in our Eclipse. So the class name is calc, right? So let's paste our coding here. Okay, so if you look at it closely, firstly using the scanner class, they are receiving two numbers a and b, and then asking to enter a choice of operation for it. Okay, here 1 means addition, and then 2 means subtraction, 3 means multiplication, and 4 means division. So that choice was received in variable ch, and that ch becomes the switch case expression. So if it is 1, then a plus b, but if it is 2, then a minus b, and so on. So if none of the cases matches, then the default statements will be executed automatically, like enter the correct choice. So let's try to run this and see. Okay, so again it should be run as Java application. So enter a value as 10 and then the b value as 20. Now enter your choice. So let's ask for a multiplication. So 10 into 20 is 200. So switch statement executes one statements from multiple conditions, and it is like that if else conditional ladder statement, but switch statement makes it visually more readable and appealing to understand and quickly. And also if your logic needs a straightforward one-to-one mapping condition, okay, then switching statement is better suited for it. But if your logic needs a more wider range mapping, okay, like say for example age between 10 and 15 and age between 16 and 20, and then age between 21 and 25 and so on. So for these kind of mappings, it is better to use the if else conditional ladder, and it makes more sense and practical to use it. Okay, so though it might look a bit more complicated, so that is best suited for range mapping. Okay, and there is also another important point that you need to know. Okay, so that is in the expression value in switch statement, you can also give a string object. Okay, so based on a string object, you can traverse through multiple cases. Okay, but this option is only provided in the latest version of Java. So if I remember it correctly, it should be only after Java 7, I believe. So that is all about switch statements in Java. Thank you friends, see you soon, bye.